Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to my video for the February 2026 Oh So Inspired Hop. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I get together with a group of talented artists for the Oh So Inspired Collaboration Hop. We take the same original inspiration piece and create something new based upon it. As you hop along today, you might see somebody use the layout from the original card, maybe the color palette, maybe the theme. This is just a hop to show you that no matter your skill level, your style, your favorite medium, that we can always inspire and be inspired by others. To see what everyone else created today, make sure to check out this month's playlist, which is linked toward the top of the description box below, and I'll also have it as an end card at the end of this video. I always love to hop along and just see everybody's takes on that original piece. And speaking of that, for February 2026, we were inspired by the card that you see up on screen now. This was created by Tina, who is at Cards and Coffee Time over on Instagram. You can find a link to this blog post as well as her Instagram account down in that description box below. So make sure to not only leave the creative team members love on their videos, but go leave Tina some love on her accounts as well. The things that caught my eye about Tina's cards was the fun, colorful, inky background, the frame there in the middle, and that shaker full of sequins. For my video this month, I decided to make multiple cards because I found a gorgeous alcohol ink looking pattern paper in my stash, and I was able to cut that into 6 pieces that were 4 by 5 1/4. You might have noticed when you see me cut that there was some foiling, so for the sentiments I used a set from my stash from Tailored Expressions, and you'll see here that I stamped it and I heat embossed it with gold powder. I would love to know what inspires you about Tina's card. Let me know down in that comment section below, and if you are oh so inspired to create something based upon it, I hope you'll do that and tag us in social media with the hashtags you see on screen now. I will also create a dedicated photo album in my Facebook group, which you can find the link to that group at the very bottom of my description box below. I can't wait to hear and see how you're inspired by this month's inspiration piece. Now that you've heard all about how to hop along this month, saw the inspiration piece we'll be using, and gotten your special invitation to join us, let's get back into the card making process. So far in the video, you've seen me cut the pattern paper, the frames that I die cut for each one, and how I got the sentiments ready, including putting a little bit of foam tape on the back for dimension. Well, now that all of those pieces are ready, it's time to start putting the cards together. For this, I'm using a white top fold card base, and to help me get a nice even border around the edge of that pattern paper, I did bring in some of my favorite tools, the Pear Blossom Press A7 Card Makers T-Square, and my magnetic glass board from Glassboard Studios. That just helps get everything nice and aligned and centered. Just like with the sentiment, I am using some foam tape for a little dimension, and so I have some wiggle time. I use liquid glue on top of the foam so I can get the frame adjusted just as perfectly as possible. Always remember, this is a craft, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, I had originally planned, once I popped the sentiments into those frames, that I was going to do a faux shaker. Instead of doing full shakers like the inspiration or the original piece called for, I wanted to have a little less bulk because, let's be honest, mailing is crazy lately. Well, off camera, I tested the faux shaker look, and guys, honestly, I wasn't crazy about it. I had used a variety of shaker quote-unquote bits. You saw those there just a second ago, but I didn't like the look. So I decided, instead of doing faux shakers with putting lots of sequins and bits inside that frame, that I was just going to use some gold diamond dots and put 3 to 5 on each card front. So this is just to show you that sometimes our cards turn out a little bit differently than we thought in the beginning. But either way, you can always make it work, and you're always going to have a beautiful project because you made it with your own hands with love. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I was inspired by Tina to create this set of 6 quick and easy cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now don't forget to go see what everyone else on the team did for the hop by using the link in the description box or the playlist that I'll share as an end card here in just a minute. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.